Independence. November in Latvia is very patriotic because it's our Independence Day in November. It takes us almost full month to celebrate it because what else is there to do in November? We start, of course, with candles and cemeteries, and then the rest of it happens very naturally. We love our independence so much that we have two Independence Days, one in November and another one in May. It is not a coincidence that they are in these dates, because who has time for independence in the summer? You have to take care of your garden and harvest potatoes. So one Independence Day is before potatoes are planted, another one is after the potatoes are harvested. So even if somebody decides to take our independence away in the summertime, it doesn't matter. We will take it back, but only after the potatoes are harvested.